This sound made millions of people want to throw their TV out the window. Dumb and Dumber, 1994. Jim Carrey and Jeff Daniels are driving across the country when Carrey asks,
Want to hear the most annoying sound in the world?
Before Jeff can answer, Carrey unleashes this ear-piercing, soul-crushing shriek that sounds like a dying walrus. But here's the kicker. Jim Carrey made up that sound on the spot. It wasn't in the script. The Farrelly brothers just told him to make an annoying sound, and Carrey delivered audio torture. Jeff Daniels' pained reaction? Completely real. He genuinely wanted Carrey to stop. The sound became so iconic that people still quote it 30 years later. One improvised shriek became one of comedy's most memorable moments. Sometimes the most annoying thing can also be the most brilliant. Have you ever made a sound this annoying?